Welcome back to Usedirect Ireland. Today we're going to take a quick walk around our 2021 Nissan Qashqai Premier Edition. This Premier Edition is finished in metallic magnetic blue, has LED headlights, 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, colour-coded wing mirrors, chrome trim on the doors and on the roof rails, privacy glass in the back and in the rear here as well. Some more features of the Premier Edition. We have this massive boot space with various shelving options, a full panoramic roof. This is a 1.3 petrol with 138 brake horsepower. Loads of spec on the interior of this car. We've already mentioned the panoramic roof with the leather panelling throughout the front and the dash. Cloth seats in excellent condition. Large onboard computer. We have the sat navigation system. We have our camera system. So we have 360 camera, visual parking aid with park assist. We have the reverse parking camera with reverse parking sensors. We have the leather steering wheel, multifunctional with cruise control and limiter. We have our lane assist here and we have our drive assist. We have automatic lights and automatic wipers. A couple of additional features on this car. We have our wireless phone charger with our various driving modes including Sport and Eco. We also have your heads-up display here highlighting your current speed and the speed zone you're in. For more information on this vehicle or indeed to book a test drive, please call us on 015314520 or at usedirectireland.ie. Thank you. See you next time.